Hey guys, I just got a delivery. That's awesome, Runva. Thank you very much. Let's open it up and have a look. Here we go, guys. So I just received this delivery from Runva. It's their high mount winch, and let's open it up and have a look. Wow. Wow, look at that thing. Monster. Go Runva. That's what it looks like in the box. We'll take it out and we'll be installing it very soon. This is just to let you know what I've received. A new toy. Pretty decent size winch. Also heavy. I brought the scale out so I can measure it out, see exactly what it weighs, what's the added weight to the front of my Patrol. So let's put it on. Just be careful how you're lifting it. If you get one of these, always try to leverage it or get someone else to help you.
Hi.
Alright, just the winch itself. Not sure if it's visible. 49.05 kilos. Now with the other bits, the switch, but we're gonna have that in the back of the car. Extra cable. Hook. Isolator. Nuts, bolts, brackets. There's a strap. You probably won't use it, but so 50.5 kilograms. Fairly decent. Plus there will be wiring, so that'll add a bit more weight. But for now, that's what we're looking at. 50.5 kilos. And stay tuned for the next video. I will be doing an install when I get a chance, when everything is ready. And then after that, we'll do another video of a test run and how it performs. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye. Whoops guys, sorry, excuse my friend, he's a bit slow. He forgot a part to add on the scale. This is what happened. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's another part. Ah, the fairlead. Forgot about that. Let's add that to it. Bolts. So now it goes to 5170, nearly 52 kilos. Wow. Bit heavy.